we got a quick property tour. We are over by the intersection of Pep Boys and New Wawa here in Langhorne or Levittown, whatever you want to call it. But this was the site of the Perpetual yard sale. Levittown Now actually did a article about this if you want to learn more. Still looks like there's a boat over there too, but this is a 5-acre lot. Looks like maybe the EPA got involved at some point too. I see some wells drilled, but yeah, we're gonna just kind of go walk around and see how this building looks. Now, at first glance, this is a block construction building along with the 2 garages, so premium quality. We can tell that because of the big old crack. And yeah, it's a shame this won't be fixed up probably, but let's, I mean, this is a commercial lot, so what is that, an old camera? I guess we'll go around the front first. And excuse the bouncy footage, just kind of on the cell phone, so good quality image, but it's a little bouncy. Nice porch out front for hanging out. And wow, this is really overgrown. Ooh, who's that, rabbit? I already kind of did a quick property clearing, announcing myself and hollering inside. You got the steak shop, wine, beer right next door. Very convenient location, but at first glance, yeah, this house is in good shape. So let's we'll keep going this way. Another well right there for testing groundwater for possible pollution. So we have a shallow basement. Cool. Let's go in over here though. Oh, I love the old school glass. See that down in Florida a lot. It's not very insulated, but see this header's cracking some. That needs attention. And this has definitely been the hangout spot and the sleep spot for many people. Like the fireplace. Heating oil tank. Wonder if that's got anything in it. Oh, I'll have to check it out. Old 70s paneling. Really well built house. Are those 2x12s? No, they're 2x10s, but still, nonetheless. Old school Sony TV. And this was the washroom. Had like the green tile that, is that supposed to look that way? No, that's not tile. That's like wallpaper. It looked like tile through the camera, since I'm kind of looking through that a little bit too. Really neat house, actually. Dom and Jen's new house. It's like a maze. So, I guess this has drywall on top of the blocks. That air filter off of. Is into the attic. This house just has holes punched in it everywhere. And again, excuse the camera footage because I'm kind of looking at the camera and just keeping a keen eye on everything. Very cool. Oh, almost skipped the bathroom. Love it. Oh, that reminds me of my childhood right there. Identical shower we had when I was a kid. On soap dispenser. I think the same tile too. Jeez, and the same floor. The blue mini tiles. I'm washing this out with the camera or with the light. I love the layout in this house. Very cool. Okay, let's check out these shops real quick. And this does say it's under contract, but I don't know. I feel like it's been under contract for a while now, so who knows if that deal's going to go through. These could totally be fixed up. Oh, this guy had just a premium spot. I think the last owner from what I was reading, his name was Butchie, and just doing yard sales and such out front. But can you imagine? Look at the road frontage you have here. You can get, I wonder what the history is on when these shops were built. I'm looking at the header, perfect condition. This could totally be fixed up. See, it's become a dumping site with boats and trash and everything else. Good fuel hose. Ooh. So I've actually been looking for a boat like this one right here to make a little hot tub out of it. I was thinking could semi-bury it into the ground. I mean, I feel like it'd be a good pull. Yep, these buildings good shape too, no cracking, and yeah, I mean the trusses, throw a set of trusses on this, good to go. See those snapped at, some point from getting wet. They did this right. Look at these, like 16-foot ceilings too. Oof, no wonder the EPA was here testing. It's like a swamp around it. I can't believe they didn't take that tree out when they put the building up, or I don't know, maybe that grew after the building was up. Yeah, it needs some repair right there. Maybe a tree hit it, I don't know. Yes, that's the one bad thing about being on the main road is people dump their loads here. But cool location because you get all this woods and it actually backs up to like a Target, Buffalo Wild Wings, the Wawa's right there. And there's like one house all the way down on the other side and a school. So pretty sweet location. You get these woods in a commercially developed area. Again, that can bring some riffraff though, or whatever word you want to use. Man, look at these old bricks. These are nice. Oh, they don't make bricks like that no more, do they? I would have loved to meet the guy who built those shops, and I wonder if he did it himself. Like these old cinder blocks, you never see these anymore. If there was a giant pile of them, I would get in touch with the investor that owns this place, see if we could grab them. This probably used to be one of those kids' swings, right? Concrete block. Oh, another well, testing well. A little bit of traffic has come through here too at some point not that long ago. Man, this must have just been packed like a junkyard. Anybody that has history that you guys know of on this place, let me know. Comment it down below. But well, yeah, you got about 30-foot drop off here. And a running stream down there. I would go down, but I don't want to leave my truck unattended. I'll keep it in sight. Maybe we'll take a quick scoot down. I don't know. If anybody's even still watching, right? Let's see if I find anything else interesting back here. Another well. I don't mess around. Tires. A lot of trash. Oh, what a cool property. Wow, yeah. I mean, you'll never flood, even though it's all swampy up there. You can do some drainage and just shoot it all down. I don't know if the camera does it justice with how steep. This is definitely about 30 foot for sure. Oh my butt. Yeah. I have to look up what creek this is. Mill Creek or something? I don't know. I'm not sure which one it is. Oh, there's a baby stroller down here. That's in good shape too. Kinda. Still usable. So now we see why they have all the wells, testing wells, because they're trying to find out what's been dumped in the ground over all the years going into this creek. So, yeah, let's get back up here. So that's the quick tour of this place. Driven by it a million times when I was a kid and never stopped. Always was, I guess, really too afraid to. It looked pretty kind of creepy with stuff just scattered everywhere. But now I have to walk around and check it out. And again, if you guys have any stories about it, feel free to drop those down below. I guess we'll walk into the danger zone a touch. Probably some good stuff in here yet if you dig through. Oh, picnic bench for autumn, a sandbox, and a trike. This is probably from the yard sale. It's actually in good shape. Yeah, I'm gonna save this from the scrap pile, from the landfill, should I say? Yeah, this stuff was all. It's definitely. Is this considered stealing? I don't think so. They definitely just coming in with an excavator, dumping all this. It's a Fisher Price too, name brand. Autumn is gonna love this thing one day. I mean, it's not pink, but she'll like it. Yeah, it's even got a CB radio. I dig it. What? Did that just? No. I don't know if you guys noticed the big satellite. What a monstrosity in your yard. This guy probably got every single channel around the world. It feels to be aluminum. I don't know. That right there, that's why you paint your chimney so they don't crack. One on the left. Actually, I just looked it up, and apparently you're not supposed to paint clay chimneys. Trap the moisture, cause cracking and mold. But I kind of feel the opposite, because in our climate we often get rain and then it, like a deep freeze overnight. So if it's not painted on the outside, that water gets in and then freezes, causes little micro cracks and ultimately bigger cracks and starts crumbling in the future. But I don't know, paint your clay tiles or not, on the outside of course.